Hello everybody, I'm back in the greenhouse. Yep, you guessed it. Gonna plant some seeds in these cups. Done that about 3 years in a row. Last couple of years haven't really done anything. So I'm gonna plant some seeds. I got some collard greens in this barrel. Mustard greens down here. Some lettuce I just planted. They ain't doing so good. I'm gonna plant some more. So I've got this shelf. Gonna have tomato plants here because it's pretty tall. Tomato plants, mustard greens. So I got this shelf for seeds, this shelf, and that shelf. And in the back I have this shelf. Got some water there. I was gonna use for something. I don't remember what. So in here I have these 3 barrels. Thought about taking out. So I'm gonna leave them. I'll probably put some water in them. They'll draw the sun's heat in the daytime and give off thermal heat at night. So I've made the best of it. Put this wood up here, a shelf, and that shelf of course, and then this tote, it's got rock in it. I tried to raise tilapia fish in it. Pretty heavy, I needed to drag it out, but what I did, I put the lid on it. So there's a shelf for some planks. That shelf, a makeshift shelf. This shelf, and I have another one over here all cluttered up on this side. So I got plenty of room, and I could even put another shelf up right here where I used to have one. I used to have a shelf here in the corner. I took out fish aquarium stuff, 2 6-foot by 8-foot Harbor Freight greenhouses put together in one. So what am I planting? Recently I had the Coleman stove sitting up here doing some cooking, so I'm going to plant these seeds in all these cups and these containers. These pots up here, going to put pepper plants in these and leave them all year long. So the plan is, I'm not growing these plants to sell, growing them for myself. Going to make a raised bed out behind the greenhouse with treated lumber. Raised bed, 8 foot by 12 feet, probably bigger. Tomatoes, spinach, lettuce, mustard greens, kale, flowers for my wife, okra, spinach, habanero pepper, lettuce, some more mustard, sweet corn. I'm going to start. You put this in the ground, it'll grow pretty quick. It's the first week of February, April, it'll be 2 months later. Plant this corn in these cups. By the middle of April, 2 months from now, I may have corn 10 to 12 inches tall in April to start out in my raised bed. In April, people will be starting seeds. I'll be planting corn in April, 8 to 12 inches tall. So I got these seeds from Home Depot and got online to the seed plant on eBay. Quill tomato, early number 7 spinach, long green pod okra, iceberg lettuce, butter crunch lettuce, cayenne pepper, collard greens. So that's what I got. Got plenty of cups. I got more of these cups in the garage. 3 stacks about 6 feet tall stacked up, left from previous days, and some of these cups are used. Planted stuff that didn't really come out very good. So I got me a new bag of dirt, Miracle Grow garden soil. And I put that in these containers. I'm ready for the seed to go in. Plant the lettuce and stuff down here in these beds. Put some of that dirt on them. So that's what I got going on. Thank y'all for watching.